Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to learn how to translate your forms with Wix Multilingual. Let's get started. First, we need to install Wix Multilingual on our site. So, on the Wix editor, go to the App Market button. On the search bar, look for Wix Multilingual and select Wix Multilingual from the drop-down below. Then click on Add to Site and wait for it to finish installing. Once it's installed, your dashboard window will open. If not, go to your dashboard and make sure to reload it. Anyway, here on your dashboard, go to the search bar and search for multilingual and select multilingual. Or you can go to the left under website content, you'll find multilingual. So click on that and you should see this on your screen. So click on Start Now. It will first detect your site's language, in this case, English. So we're going to need to confirm it if it's correct, but if not, you can go ahead and change it. Anyway, since English is my site's original language or default language, I'm going to set it as the original language. Next, we are going to select a flag to represent our default language. Then click on Select Flag. Once again, we are going to confirm our default or original language. And once it's done, you should see this on your screen, your multilingual dashboard. So now it's time for us to add a new language to our site. Click on Add Language here, select the language you'd like to add, and select a flag to represent it. Next, how do you want to start translating? You can choose from two options, manual translation or machine translation. By the way, if you select machine translation, they do have a credit limit for free users. If you'd like to get more credits, you can click here. Anyway, on this drop-down, you'll have options to choose from. So make Site in French visible right away. Select an option. Then, once you're done, click on Add Language. You can basically just repeat the process in case you want to add even more languages to your site. Another thing, some parts of Wix Forms, for example, the months in the date field or error messages can't be manually edited. These elements automatically follow your site's language settings. So to update them, you're going to need to change your site's default language in the multilingual settings or general info. So anyway, now that Wix Multilingual has been added and set up, it's time to translate your chosen form. So I'm just going to switch to my dashboard now. And on the dashboard search bar, we are going to type in Translation Manager, and we're going to select Translation Manager from the results dropdown. On the left, we're going to select Forms. And if you selected Auto Translate, this column over here will automatically be translated. However, if you selected Manual, just like I did, you're going to have to translate this manually. Once you're done, review everything. And once everything's all good, click on Save and Publish. And that's it. Your translations are saved and published. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.